Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Pro 2. Will it be worth the wait? We'll have that coming right up. Got several points that I'd like to read to you as a disclaimer. The first point is that as of today, July 25th, 2018, there is no information on the FCC Grant ID database either for a DJI Mavic 2 or a DJI Mavic Pro 2. The next point that I'd like to make is that DJI has not rescheduled the See the Bigger Picture event as of July 25th, 2018. The next point that I'd like to make is that there have been no new photos that have been leaked of the DJI Mavic 2, DJI Mavic Pro 2, or the Mavic Enterprise. The next point is I strongly recommend that if you need to get a drone right now, that you get a drone that is best suited for your needs. If you have any questions regarding that, please feel free to email me at billthedronereviewer@gmail.com. The last point I'd like to make is that I highly recommend that if you're planning on selling your drone before you're buying the product that DJI is coming out with, that you wait until the See the Bigger Picture event is rescheduled and that there is a date announced. So Bill, will it be worth the wait? Answer is absolutely yes, and I have several reasons why it's going to be worth the wait. Number one, you know that DJI always improves their drones. If you take a look from the Phantom 3 to the Phantom 4 series, there were significant upgrades, and also all along, if you go back to the Phantom 1 to the Phantom 2, the Phantom 3 to the Phantom 4, there have been significant upgrades as each model has come out. It's almost, you can say, light years between the Phantom 1 and the Phantom 4 at this point in time. One of the things that, one of the reasons I feel it'll be worth the wait. Number two, and it's my firm opinion that this product is going to blow the other drones out of the water, such as the Autel Evo, the Parrot Anafi, and others that are out there. Now, that's going to be, what I mean by that is going to be in terms of features, portability, the camera, runtime, you name it. It's just going to absolutely knock competition's socks off. And number three, expect this to be one of, if not DJI's best drones that they've ever come out with. It will be a game changer. People are going to take notice of this drone, and it will continue to be the #1 registered drone on Kitty Hawk's database as far as that information is concerned. So in conclusion, all the rumors and speculation will be just a distant memory when you place your Mavic Pro 2 on your landing pad, select takeoff on the DJI Go 4 app, and hear those all too familiar words, takeoff. The home point has been established. Please check it on the map. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I post daily updates there, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying.